looking that way?
How you doing?
Why? You guys are scaring me.
Hey Amber, where's your phone at? Where's your bag?
You guys are bullies.
Where's your bag?
Where's my bag? Oh, it's right there.
Where's your bag, Amber?
You always have them.
No, you should look up. And look for your bag. You should look up and look for your bag. On the whiteboard. On the whiteboard.
I'm talking up.
On the whiteboard. No, Richa, you saw. No. Oh. What about Purple Monkey?
Guys, this is hide and seek.
Purple Monkey, where are you?
I know where it is, but I'm not gonna tell you.
Why?
Jennifer, I love you.
I'm
Don't
not
tell
that
her.
type of person. Are you guys recording her?
Because they're mean.
Your husband is missing.
Looking.
Stop!
They did it. Yeah, just don't look.
It's so easy.
Come on, Trisha.
Wait, how could you be so blind?
I know, right? For real. How could you be so blind?
When I put in the system, the grade book,
It's outside. It's outside.
She's so blind.
most teachers don't even
No,
do it.
You didn't see it when you're coming in.
No.
Oh my god.
You're so blind. No,
So
it's
blind, bro.
outside.
You're blind, man. She's so
Am I
blind.
looking at it? Dollar. What's wrong? You're such mean. What did you see today?
We hit her purple
I'm
monkey.
like the blindest person ever.
Okay, you know what? I'm done. You're boring.
Wrong spot. No?
Almost got it.
Check over there.
I know, she's so close. You were so close to it. You were. No.
It's outside. It's right there. Block her out.